LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we want to look for buy, but we prefer the price drop and retest this low. And exactly this is what we expected, because we mentioned at least we need to look for flat. That's why we mentioned if we get correction from here, we won't be too interested to look for buy, because we won't see the good result. Okay, that's why as what we expected a price drop. We have been looking for the flat, and this is what we get. The only way to look for this one to trade based on 15 minutes. Okay, that's why if you refer to 15 minutes, this is the only way we could look for trade for the reversal. All right, anyway, if anyone get this trade as what we expected, because we mentioned we need to see the down move at the breakout of this previous low, we mentioned we can look for reversal. Anyway, if anyone get this trade right now, either they take out the profit or at least move their stop loss to break even, because as we can see the price, we need to see the breakout of 370.5, almost 371. Okay, because based on higher time frame, the monthly chart, this is the top of the highest price for the LTC. Okay, if there is a continuation, we need to see bigger breakout of this top. But how about if this one turn to deeper correction? Can we expect this one to be internal flat and this one turn to more complex? Yes. That's why whatever the trade from this, either we take with the profit, we start to manage. And right now we don't have any trade set up to look for either buy or sell. Even the price continue from here, we won't be able to look for next trade. Okay. Anyway, if we refer to the weekly chart, this is what we want. We want to see the continuation and the breakout of the previous top. And even if we refer to the daily chart, we see the price broke the previous top based on daily chart. And right now we don't have any trade set up. That's why right now the price almost at the top. Any trade from there, we need to be really careful. That's why based on 1 hour chart, we have to start over to manage the trade. And even based on 4 hour chart, we don't have any trade set up. Then how we can look for the next trade? As I mentioned, first of all, we manage a trade. Second, if we want to look for trade, we don't have any trade set up right now. Either we wait this one turn to a more complex correction. We are not going to trade within this range. Okay, if the price continue, will be the breakout of this as a sharp move. After the breakout, any correction of lag we consider as a short term, we can look for buy. All right, but how about if the price haven't didn't broke this top? Then we wait for see what we get here. We need to see we have to wait and get the correct trade set up. Okay, simply we cannot jump in. Even there is a continuation, we cannot buy. Anyway, as I mentioned, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is we manage our trade, and in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.